In this video I'm going to show you whether Snapchat notify somebody if you block them on Snapchat. That is quite interesting information, so watch this video until the very end. And now if I open up Snapchat, I can make a swipe to the right to open up chats, and here I can block someone. Let it be that guy. I can hold down, hit add manage friendship, and then hit and add block, and there confirm it by hitting add block again. And now you may wondering what happened if the blocked person will get any notification about I blocked him. So first, as you see, that person gone from my chats list, but if that person will open up its chat list, I will be still here, and in that conversation wouldn't be any notification about I blocked him. Also, that person would be able to send me messages, but I wouldn't get that messages cause I blocked them. Also, when you will send snaps to all of your friends, that person that I have just blocked wouldn't get any snaps from me, and it would seems like you are inactive on Snapchat, but it will never show up exactly that you blocked that person. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.